Hey everyone, in this episode of HubFuel, I'm going to be showing you how to install the HubSpot tracking code on an external CMS. In this video, I'm going to be using WordPress as my CMS of choice. However, the overall process is very much the same for most CMSs that are out. For any CMSs that aren't covered in this video, we will include links to HubSpot's official documentation to help support you in installing the tracking code. It's important to note before we get into anything on this video, the HubSpot tracking code, if you're using the HubSpot CMS or you're creating HubSpot landing pages, website pages, or blog posts with the actual HubSpot tool, the tracking code is automatically applied. This video is only relevant if you're creating content in any external systems or tools. With that said, let's get into it. So what you want to do is you want to load up your HubSpot instance and head to the top right where there is a settings icon. From here, what we want to do is head down the left-hand side, down to Tracking Analytics, and then the Tracking Code section. From here, you will be presented with the actual embed code in terms of what you need to copy, or what you can also do is email it to a web developer to install for you. Once you've got your actual tracking code copied, what you can either do is if you're on WordPress, you can copy your actual hub ID to be used with the WordPress plugin, which we'll touch on shortly. So once you've got your code copy, simply head over to your CMS. In this case, we're going to be using WordPress. And what you want to do is either head in one of two ways. The first way, which is preferable with WordPress, is simply heading down to Plugins and Add New, and then simply just search for HubSpot in the actual directory. From here, you'll see the HubSpot CRM email marketing live chat forms analytics, and just press install, which will then begin to actually install it into your WordPress. And once it's installed, you can then activate it. Now that the plugin is actually active within the actual account, we can head over to install plugins. And then what we can actually do is head to the actual settings of this plugin, and we can then connect the actual HubSpot portal that we want to connect. And this will automatically tie your WordPress and your HubSpot together. Now, if for whatever reason the HubSpot plugin, as you can see here, is not working, there is an alternative route in terms of installing this tracking code. And in order to do so, what you want to do is head to Appearance, head down to the Theme Edit, which will take you into the Themes section as well. Depending on how your WordPress is built, you should have a footer file that sits on this right-hand side. Simply select that and then paste this code in between the actual closing tags within the footer as well. Once the actual tracking code has been pasted within the actual footer, simply just update your footer file, and then that will also then have updated. Either way, there's no right or wrong way to set this up within your actual account. However, the plugin is much easier, but if your plugin isn't working, then you can obviously use the actual Appearance theme editor, find your footer file within your theme files, and then simply just paste your tracking code in the footer file and update. And that's it. That's how to install the tracking code on a CMS such as WordPress, either via a supported plugin from HubSpot or just simply in the actual footer module itself. Hope this episode of HubFuel helped, and I hope to speak to you guys soon. Take care.